What's going on? So I'm about to hop in the Volvo right now. It's actually in the afternoon now. I saw some comments down below on a couple of the other last videos that said we want to see a Volvo video. They've got ESS here right now fixing some stuff on our shovel. I don't know where he is, but shout out Graham from ESS for doing that for us. So I'm out hopping in the Volvo because, geez, I lost my train of thought. So the comments, people are saying, make some videos in the Volvo, we want to see the Volvo. So that's what you're getting today. This is purely a real life truck simulator video. 13 speed, Eaton Fuller Volvo, tandem. Nobody drives this but me, to be honest with you. I just got the wheels polished on it, new decals on it. And yeah, we're gonna load this baby up. We got 6 tandem loads to haul. So we're gonna get in the truck and do that. So let's do a circle check on this thing, get everything ready, and get hauling. All right, let's do it. All right, I'll throw it in the first load. I just need to make sure that my tailgate's locked, that's down. AC's on. Yes, it has AC. Yes, unspoiled. Okay, I got the 4-ways on. I checked the oil. It's all good. I'm just going around now checking for any deficiencies in the tire. Tire pressures are good. All my lights are working. There's Al. Look at it, coming right off the belt, right into the loader, right into the back of the truck. All right, let's get this thing mounted and grind some gears. Yo! Good to go. All right, so I'm just Hey buddy, I'm just in the middle of something. Can I call you back? Okay, goodbye. Oh, don't tell me there's no pens. Pen. Oh, there's so much dust in this truck because it hasn't been ran in a while. There's definitely no AC in here right now. But I ain't complaining. Well, maybe I am. All right, I got my water. I got that. Tailgate's locked. That's good. All right. Let's haul. This is the first dump truck that I ever learned how to drive on. And I haven't driven in a while. I love this truck, oh my God. This brings back a lot of memories. When I first started selling topsoil, I started with this truck. And I remember I had, back in the days when earphones had cords on them, I'd have my phone sitting here and I would have my earphones in. And I would just be answering the phone constantly because I was marketing a lot on Kijiji back then because I was into homeowner stuff. So yeah, I used to answer the phone. I used to market on Kijiji all the time. And it was just so cool. I'm just waiting on traffic right now. And it was just so cool, like nostalgic, I guess, coming back in here now, coming full circle in a sense where I'm not even on Kijiji because I don't need to market to homeowners because I'm selling enough to contractors where I can't even keep up to the demand. So that was just 3 years ago. So I used to wheel and deal in this thing a lot. But before I ramble on too much in this one sequence, I'll get on the road and deliver the first load and catch up with you guys then. All right? Cool. All right, now we're gonna shift some gears. Hopefully you guys can hear and see me. Alrighty then. Okay, sorry, getting obnoxious. I'll tone it down a bit. So this truck, if you hear it whining more, that is purely because it is kind of an underpowered truck. I mean, compared to, you know, a tandem that has 400 something horse, like our Western Star tandem, or our new triaxle, which has an even larger motor. So it's a little underpowered that way, but you know what? It's a beautiful truck. Doesn't have an engine brake on it, so that's one of the downfalls when I'm trying to slow down. But, whoa. Well, we're getting her going. It's like throwing a baseball bat. Pop! In gear. It only has 13 gears. So once I get up into my highs, then I can split. So right now I'm in first high, and I'm gonna split into second. Now I'm split into second. I'm gonna go down, shift into third. Set my splitter for fourth. We get the RPMs up. Split it. Now I'm in fourth. Split back down. Once I'm back up, RPMs and speed. Shift back into sixth. Or, yeah, sixth. Well, I don't know. What am I in? No, seventh. I don't know. I don't know. I just shift and drive. That's all I do. But yeah, this is a 2001 Volvo, and like I was saying before, there's a lot of sentimental value behind it because it was such a great truck that I used to truck around all the time, just selling topsoil and backing in people's friggin' houses, townhouses, get like, oh man, the things I've done with this truck, I love this truck. Have I mentioned that I like this truck? Y'all. Alright guys, just finished up the last load. And I'm gonna make my birthday dinner. I got a birthday dinner tonight. I feel like I've been mentioning my birthday in like almost every video. Alright, well. Well, that's no good. Let's try to fix this. Oh, that wasn't for the video. Of course, now that I get out. Too much enough got. All right, let's truck on, baby. Roll. Anyways. Just finished up the last load. Everything went awesome. The customer's happy. And actually, they love the quality of the soil so much that this guy's next door neighbor came over and was looking at the soil and he goes, how much do you charge for a load of that? I said, $400. And he goes, I'll take it. So, tomorrow morning, first thing, I'm gonna get up, deliver a load of topsoil. Steph's gonna take the 308 downtown. I got the trucks rented out again to Chad from CSL. Al's going to be running the 308, so I'll have to make sure that I'm at the yard if there's soil, but I will be because I'll be at my office. But yeah, man, our thing's busy this year, guys. It is insane how busy it is. Like, everyone's saying the same thing. It's not like it's just me saying, oh, I'm so busy. Like, I haven't heard one person. Well, actually, there was a guy, one of our competitors last night when I was running. He was at the, well, I don't want to give specifics because then everyone knows. A lot of local people watch this. I was talking to one of my competitors last night. I saw him around town when I was out running. And I said, you busy? And he goes, nah. And that took me by surprise because I haven't heard of anybody who's not busy. Whenever I ask them, they say, oh yeah, crazy, swamped, good problem to have. So that really surprised me, actually. And I like staying in tune with knowing that stuff. But on the other side of it, I also too, I don't get caught up with other people. I don't get caught up with my competitors. There's a lot of guys that started doing topsoil this year, and they bought these little screeners, and they're just plowing fields and making topsoil. I'll let those guys do whatever they gotta do. There's a lot of money out there for everybody. People will realize it's not just something you randomly just get into and strip off a farmer's field and make topsoil out of it. I'm not even sure if that's legal, to be honest with you. But yeah, anyways, that's not the point. The point is, there's a lot of money out there for everybody, and a lot of guys, a lot of my competitors this year, they're starting to get into the topsoil. Now, I don't know, me being narcissistic, thinking, you know, they saw over the past 3 years how well that I've been doing at it, and it kind of made them think, well, maybe we should get into this. I don't know, but like, relating it back to what I'm trying to say is, I don't care. A lot of people try to tell me like, oh, I guess so-and-so isn't moving any soil, it's all wet, or they don't have any made, or this guy's not selling any. And you know what, at the end of the day, I think that's great, but I don't care. All I care about is me, myself, and I. My company, and my family, my employees. It's the only things I care about in this world. I don't care about what Joe Blow's doing down the road. I literally could care less. It sounds like I really care a lot, but I just want to get the message out there to everybody that's in business. Don't get caught up about what other people are doing, because if you sit there and try to analyze like, oh, like, fuck, how's that guy make it work? Like, how do they afford this? How do they do that? I'm sweating buckets. You'll just go out of your mind, and you'll never be able to understand it. I've tried, I've been there. I've been driving past the guy's yard and been like, holy shit, how does he do it? He just bought, you know, so and so many new trucks. But at the end of the day, you just need to focus on yourself, your own operation, and how to make that more efficient and profitable. And don't give a rat's ass about anybody else or what anybody else is doing. Let them worry about what you're doing. And that's the best scenario. I love that. I love that people always talk about what's going on with Taylor White, Ken White Construction. What's he doing? What are they buying? You know, are they moving soil? Oh, I see them on Instagram. I love that. I love that. Be that person. Be that person that everyone's talking about. You know, I always live by the motto, I'm going on a long rant right here. I'll finish it right after this. I always live by the motto that if people aren't talking about you, then you're doing something wrong. Now, I understand that some people, they like living lives where nobody talks about them, or they just, you know, they go to work, they come home, they do their own thing, they live a simple life. I respect the hell out of that. I respect that so much. If you're happy doing whatever you're doing, then who am I to tell you what to do? But if you want to be successful, if people aren't talking about you, you're not doing the right thing. You're not doing enough. And that's just plain and simple. Nobody's talking about me. Nobody's saying, oh, I wonder what Taylor's doing, or I heard he's doing this, heard he's doing that. If there's no chatter about me, well then I guess I'm not doing my job right, because I'm not moving enough soil. So now that that rant's over with, that pretty much wraps it up. I'm just shifting gears, and I'm gonna park the truck. Birthday dinner at the in-laws. That girl was smoking a cigarette with her baby with the window up. The shit you see when you're driving a truck on the road. Wow. Okay guys, appreciate you for tuning in today. Hopefully you liked the different style video, just a trucking vlog. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, head over to Instagram at @UNC2000. Thanks guys, catch you on the next one. Wow. I can't do the whole so this is what's gonna happen. You're still watching the video, you're one of the true patrons of the channel, I appreciate you. Comment down below, shifting gears, because that's what this video was all about. Shifting gears and getting the job done and working hard and sweating it out with no AC. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching the entire video. You guys are my favorite. Take care.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Letting go.